Okay, guys, so the next one is gonna be fried chicken. We're gonna do some drumsticks just for the kiddos. So we're gonna take the bag right here. I'm only gonna use half of it, not the whole thing. Okay, and then from there, take it out of the bag after you defrost the chicken. I boil my chicken with some salt, some pepper. You know, we boil it first because when you cook it, it cooks faster in the inside. It won't be too bloody. So there you go. And the next thing you know, I'm gonna show you how to crispy fry it. Okay, now that we finished boiling the chicken, you mix it with eggs and then some seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic, lemon pepper, and then just mix it. Mix, mix, mix. And then we do the milk. And next is we're gonna do our famous, my kids love this, chicken crispy fry. Yeah. Okay. First you're gonna take the crispy fry, you put it in a different plate, and then you have the milk on this plate. You don't put a lot, just put enough just for the chickens that you got. Okay, now we're gonna get the frying pan. You're gonna turn on the fire, not too high, not too low. And grab the oil. Yeah. Now, the next thing you're gonna do is you grab the chicken, dip it with the milk, and make sure the oil is not too hot, not too cold. It's still heating up. Okay, then we got the crispy fry on this side. Let's turn this around. Here we go. Crispy fry here. Chicken there. Yep, you can hear my dad saying to the baby, let's go sleep already. Go take a nap. Okay, once you dip it with the milk, then you get the crispy fry and the chicken and dip it and turn it and toss it and toss it. Keep tossing it around. This is just a fast cooking, just for the kids, you know. It's really quick just to cook for the kids when they're in school. Whip it up. Not even 30 minutes to an hour. And then look. Nice and sizzling. Yeah. Nice big frying pan. You could put like as much as you can, just as long as it's not too close. Woohoo! Then while that's frying, you get more chicken and dip it into the milk. Just dip it, dip it, dip it. Thanks to my handy dandy assistant over here. Magluluto. Oy! Nice! My assistant of cooking while I hold the camera. But you know, what can you do? I only have 2 hands. Okay. Once that's fried, see, now time to flip it around. Time to flip, time to flip. Okay, watching. Oh, it's coming out nice and golden brown. It's almost cooked. Yummy, yummy time. You could eat it with ketchup. You could eat it with tomatoes, barbecue sauce, ranch, sweet and sour, all kinds of dipping. That's my mom talking in the background, y'all. That's my mom. Oh, that's my assistant too. They're all Filipino. You're gonna hear a little Tagalog. See? Okay, it's cooking. It's cooking now. We're about to take it out from the stove. Once it's cooked, oh, yummy. Oh my goodness, this is so yummy. Okay, so now we're about to take out the chicken from the stove and put it on our serving bowl. Yes, I put paper towels on top because of the oil, you know. Don't like it to be too oily. I know you could hear a lot of background, but hey, that's life. My daughter's cleaning up. My mom is playing with the birds. And I'm doing a video cooking. Yeah. That's life for ya. That's a simple life right there. Simple, simple, and fun. Ooh, oh my God, yummy. Yummy. Ang yummy. Oh, yes. Let's put this with the other foods. It's good. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's my water too. Right beside it. That's the good foods.